You are doing some fantastic things here at North Little Rock Middle School. I brag on North Little Rock all the time. You are one of our shining stars as far as your adoption, your implementation of opportunity culture.
I told you, that we had the assembly this afternoon.
Right.
And the commissioner was going to be here and we were going to talk about opportunity culture.
Yes.
Well, it was a surprise that I won an award. I don't even know how to put into words what this award is.
More than 30 years ago, we started this award called the Milken National Educator Award, the Academy Award for Teachers. And we wanted to say in a public way how important teachers are to our society. And the person that's going to win this award is in this room right now.
DAWN McLAIN. The Milken Educator Award is like the top level of achievement, and in Arkansas we recognize that as something that to celebrate and to encourage other educators to do their best every day.
I wanted to come teach in the school that I grew up in. I wanted to be able to give back to other children because I feel like sometimes we're the ones who see them more than their own families see them because they're with us all day long. And if I can help change the life of a child, then that's what I want to be able to do. I'm so grateful. I have loved being here at North Little Rock, and I wouldn't change it for the world. These kids mean everything to me. And I feel like I've worked really, really hard to try to show them that. And so I hope that they know that, and I hope that everyone knows that I want all these kids to be successful.